Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from WIKO U Pulse to REALME Device. You need to start by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both smartphones. Begin by selecting I agree. Then click on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, click on OK. Then select Send at the bottom left corner of WIKO and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of REALME. Also on REALME, scroll down just a bit to select the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Now click on Close this window and go back to WIKO U Pulse. You can finally use all of those categories from the top to choose files to transfer. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. I will go with this one photo. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on REALME. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your REALME's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key down, click on Input Keys section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. When you are finished, tap on this Received button to connect. So when I click and wait, as you can see, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!